Okay, so this is really cool. I just had this little, like, I think it's like a yellow belly finch or something like that. Like, just letting me pet it, like touch it, like stroke it. See if it'll let me do it again. Yep, he's still there. So I'm just gonna be real calm and just kind of do the same thing I did before. He doesn't seem to be hurt because he was just flying. But look at this. I am touching this bird. And he is totally chill, dude. Totally chill. So I'll do it again. You seeing this? Sorry about the sun. Look at this. And maybe he knows I won't hurt him because I really enjoy these birds. See, look, he's talking to me. Okay, and we got another one coming in. See, he's totally chill, dude. Totally chill. His friend's up there talking at me. It's like, what are you doing? Oh, different kind of bird. But this one, I think it's just so gorged or something maybe. I don't know. He's totally chill. Because he'd flown up on, you know, like this branch or that branch there, and then he flew back. And I was just sitting right there. And I started picking up some cans and stuff. I got pretty close to him. He didn't move. He's not eating now because I think I'm so close. It's like it's almost, I just want to, oh, he just pooped. Almost got me. He's just totally chill, man. Totally chill. Oh, yep. Oh, I'm getting at you now. Look, see, now he's going back to eating. He doesn't care. Trying to get those seeds? Trying to get those seeds? Look at this. Look at this. Right up on this guy. This is the craziest thing you ever seen. Wild bird. Just let me finger it. That's crazy. Alright, I'll leave you alone.